OpenClaw 2026 4.5 Automate anything. You're wasting hours every single week on stuff a machine could do. Emails, scheduling, research, generating content, running code. All of it sitting on your plate while you're already overwhelmed. And the worst part? A tool that could handle most of it already exists. You just haven't seen what version 2026 4.5 of OpenClaw can do yet. The changes right now. Hey, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, and this channel is all about helping you actually learn and use AI tools, not just talk about them. So let's get into it. OpenClaw is an open source personal AI assistant that runs directly on your machine, Mac, Windows, or Linux. And you control it from whatever chat app you're already using, WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, Signal, or iMessage. You send it a message, gets things done. It can read and write files, run shell commands, browse the web, manage your calendar, clear your inbox. And with the right skills and plugins installed, it can do almost anything you can do on a computer, except it works around the clock and doesn't need a break. The big thing that makes OpenClaw different from a lot of AI tools is that your data stays on your machine. It's not locked in some company's cloud. Your context, your memory, your workflows, all yours. And it's open source, which means a whole community of people are constantly building on it and making it better. Now version 2026 1.4.5 just dropped on April 6th, 2026, and this release is a massive one. So let me walk you through what's actually new and why it matters for your workflows. Let's start with the two biggest additions in this update. First, video generation. OpenClaw now has a built-in video generate tool. That means your AI agent can create videos through configured providers and deliver the output directly inside your chat. Right now it supports xAI's Grok video model, Alibaba's One model, and Runway. So you're not just generating text anymore. You're generating media from a chat message. Second, music generation. There's now a built-in music generate tool as well. It comes with Google's Lyria provider and Minimax baked in. And it even supports ComfyUI workflows for people who want to go deeper with local or cloud-based audio generation. The tool handles async task tracking too, so it queues the job and delivers the finished audio when it's ready. And speaking of ComfyUI, this release adds a full bundled ComfyUI plugin. If you're not familiar with it, ComfyUI is a popular tool for running image, video, and audio generation workflows locally. OpenClaw can now connect to it directly, run your custom workflows, and get the results back in your chat. This is a big deal for anyone who wants full local control over their media generation. Now let's talk about AI providers because this update adds a lot. Qwen, Fireworks AI, and StepFun are now bundled providers. Minimax TTS is added for text-to-speech. Ollama Web Search and Minimax Search are now integrated for search workflows. That's a significant expansion of what you can route through OpenClaw without manual configuration. Amazon Bedrock also got a major upgrade in this version. OpenClaw now includes Mantle support and automatic inference profile discovery for Bedrock. What that means in plain English is that Claude, GPT-OSS, Qwen, Kimi, GLM, and similar models hosted on Bedrock are now much easier to set up and route through.